Drop a diss is gon' hit, taking flights in a chopper. The feds mad, they can't stop.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We back with another reaction video on the Simply Not Simple channel. If you're new, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We drop daily reactions, bro. You don't want to miss one of them, you feel me? This right here is a suggested video from one of my subscribers, bro. Ren and Sam Tompkins. Latch, my bad, you feel me? But this right here, bro, I know this about to be gas because I done reacted to Sam, I done reacted to a lot of Ren, you feel me? Both of them don't miss, and when they come together, bro, it's something different, you feel me? So yeah, I'm ready to check this out. We trying to get to 5K subscribers. We at 3,700 right now, so I thank you everybody that's been subscribing, that's been commenting, liking the video, getting my like goal up every video, you feel me? And subscribing to the channel because we've been doing it for 3 months now. 3,700, that's crazy, bro. So yeah, come join the family, bro. Subscribe to the channel. Don't try and do it when I'm at 10K, 100K, and all that, bro. Do it now, bro. Be one of the first ones. You feel me? But we're about to get straight to this though. This is Ren, Sam Tompkins, bro. Latch. Hold on. Where they at? There they go. He gonna show out already. Nah, bro, it was that walk off. Y'all, hey, that walk off was different though. He hit that one note and act like he just did everything. He said, "Yeah, that was it." Where the car? Man, stop playing, bro. Stop playing. Stop playing. Okay. Nah, Ren. Nah, Ren. You ain't gonna hit them notes, bro. I ain't heard that one yet. I ain't heard that one from you. Hold on. Boundaries. He said boundaries. What'd he say? He said boundaries. Stop playing with him, bro. He looking like Justin Timberlake. Yeah. Bro, why is he singing that high though? Why are you singing that high, bro? Every bit, bro, he be playing with y'all, bro. He just be trying to show out like, bro, y'all know I can do this. You know I can do this, right? That's basically what he be saying. Every time he come out here and do what he do, he be like, bro, y'all know I can do this, bro. Watch this. You feel me? Watch this. Then he do that. I can't do it. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even gonna try. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah. Don't let go, baby. Bro, why? Bro, they getting me tight though. Why are they not standing up? Why they not going crazy right now, bro? I understand it's a slow song. I don't care, bro. Turn up, bro. Get up, dance, do something, bro. Hop. Stop playing, bro. What? I've been all out there. Oh, he finna car. Here he come. Here he come. Sam, bro, you did your thing, bro, but here he come, bro. He stepped up to the mic like, watch this. Watch out. You feel me? Stop playing.
I wanna lock your love. I think we're close enough. I wanna lock your love. 'Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm catching on to you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Don't let go.
Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm catching on to you.
Oh no. Oh no. Hold on. One more time. One more time. That was fire. Never. Bro. Bro.
Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
I won't let go.
Got you
Don't let
shackled
go.
in my.
Don't let go, bro. Won't let go, bro. Don't let go of your dreams, bro. Anything you trying to do in life, bro, do it now, bro. Stop waiting. Stop procrastinating. Do it now, bro. You can do it, whatever it is, bro. Stop playing, bro. Do it, bro. Stop playing. You feel me?
Embrace. I'm catching on to you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Okay.
Catching on to you.
Fire. Fire.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
Bro. Yeah. That was definitely one of them, bro. Sam, you did your thing, bro. Them high notes, bro. I don't know how y'all was doing that. Like, that y'all goated, though. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, when y'all come together, y'all made masterpieces every time, even separately, bro. So go check out they music. If y'all never heard of Sam Tompkins, bro, go check out some of his music, bro. He got a lot of bangers, bro. All of them gas, bro. If you ain't never heard of Ren before, I don't know what you doing. I don't know where you at. But yeah, you need to come up out of that cave, you feel me, and go subscribe. Go check out his videos and subscribe here. Simply Not Simple. If this your first time here, bro, because we lit going up every day, bro. Don't be late to the party, you feel me? Subscribe to the channel now. And yeah, we finna get some more videos out. So yeah, if you got anything you want me to react to, put it in the comments below and I'm gonna check it out. And yeah, I got a GoFundMe linked in the comments and Cash App and all that if you want to help support the channel and all that, you feel me? But yeah, Simply Not Simple. Catch y'all at the next one. Peace. 5K subscribers, 300 likes on this video. Had to say that. Stop playing. Hold on.
But this is gon' hit, taking flights in a chopper. The feds mad, they can't stop us.